If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hi guys, thanks for dropping in. Welcome to the channel. I'm Rick, and this is just going to be a short clip about some sticky graphics decals that I've got for the bike, just to make it a bit brighter. I bought them from labelbike.it in Italy. They weren't cheap. They're about, it cost me about 70 quid, 70 pounds to get these two sets, fender graphics and also graphics for, well, tank pad where the knees go. I'll show you. Okay, so we've got one of these for each side. As you can see, really nice. These are, well, tank pads, not for the groin but for the knees. Not that they're going to actually help grip or need grip, it just I suppose it looks nice and stops your knees from rubbing on the tank. And these are for the front fender. You know, we'll see what it looks like when it's on anyway. Might look a bit naff at the moment. If they look naff, I'll take them off, but yeah, there you go. Right, let's just clean the area off, because I've ACF 50'd this bike and I don't want them just coming off on their own. Old classic. Check out how they're supposed to go on. That actually looks quite nice. The other bits. Very nice. Let's have a close-up of that. There you go. As you can see, it's actually quite complimentary, I think. Well, let's get the rest of them on. You see, that's what this bike has been missing. Yeah, it looks sharp, it looks smart, it looks like, you know, really nice. But there's just something missing. The sparkle. The Super Adventure R comes looking like a Christmas tree. It looks like, hey, look at me. This just comes out the showroom like, hey, that's a nice bike. Now it's a lot nicer, in my opinion anyway. Simple things, eh? Big boys and toys, eh? Oops. Super. Should be a little trapezium. Just check that one. Yeah, bang on. Yep, all is good. The super is slightly higher than the word adventure. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so that's that. Let's go around to the other side. And the super is slightly above the adventure. There we go. So overall that looks really, really cool. Okay, let's put the fender decals on. Now I'm giving these a good scrub because there's a lot of road grime and oil and whatever ACF 50, and these are just going to peel right off straight away. So I've got to make sure this is really clean. Now this one might be a bit tricky because there's a lot of curves going on here. This one's tricky. Right, how are we going to do this? My OCD is going to go into overdrive, man. I don't believe that. I don't believe I've bloody gone and done that. Jesus, that was a surprise. That's actually not as hard as I thought it would be. That's looking good. I'm quite satisfied with that. There you go. Let's have a look. There you go. So that's the top bit. goes down to the front fender. See, on its own it would probably look a bit overkill, but when you start adding in the other bits as well, I could do something down here, and possibly I'll look at something for that. But yeah, this is kind of shaping up how I want the bike to look now, I think. There you go. Anyway, hope that was fun. Well, I hope this little short clip on stickers was entertaining none the least. But check it out if you want some. Where are they? It was what was it called? Bike label, and the different codes, what do you want to call them? I don't even know what they're called, are down there. There you go.